Day 6 a.m. Not 6 a.m., but the a.m. feed. Okay, take your clean jar and we're gonna tear it. Today our starter smells much better. It smells more yeasty and less stinky. Stir it up really well. And let's add 50 grams of that to the clean jar. It's been a little slow on the bubbles, so I want to add a little more starter, a little more flour, a little more water, and see if we can get some more activity going. Tear your scale, and I pre-measured my water today to make it a little bit easier. 50 grams of water. And again, this doesn't have to be perfect, so 50, 50 and a half, 51, it's not the end of the world, 49. Just make sure your water and your flour go in equal parts. Then we're gonna add 50 grams of our flour mix from day 1. And then mix really well, no dry flour left. And the reason for switching out our jar every day is that we don't want to have mold growth. This is a culture for growth, a medium for growth, and we don't want to be growing mold or anything extra on the side of our jars. So I switch it out every day to every 2 days, even on my mature starter. And that way I don't get any mold growth on the sides. Paper towels also encourage growth, so don't use paper towel with your starter. Don't clean the inside of your jar with paper towel, etc. We're going to use the cheesecloth and rubber band from yesterday. Make sure you don't have any loose fibers so they don't fall into your starter. All right, we're going to keep that out of direct sunlight for the next 12 hours, and we will be back to feed it this evening.